Hello my friends, Rune here again. I bought a knife when I was in Sweden a few days ago. I have not taken it out yet, thought I should do so now. I've just cut around the edge with a scissor. So, let's see. Sorry for the background sound, but there are some workers doing some work here. Looks like so. And let's see. 440 stainless steel blade, aluminium handle with belt clip, comes with nylon belt pouch, length 190/110 millimeter. So the price at Clas Ohlson in Sweden was 80 crowns. That's just about $9 US. It has a liner lock, you see it here, and there's the belt clip. When closing, just push the liner lock sideways and it stays in place. It doesn't drop out or fall out by itself. Let's have a look at the pouch here. Fits nicely in there, and then you just close it. I think I have a lot of knives, but I thought the price was good, so yeah, why not? So I have stiff arthritic fingers, otherwise I might be able to open it with one hand. So, looks nice enough, and the liner lock is quite secure. There's no wobbling or doesn't feel any loose of any kind. I like the shape of it and the color. I like the blue color. Let's see if it will cut. It's a little bit sharp at least. Oh, it will cut. What about punching a hole and then cutting? It rips the paper a tiny bit, but not much. Yes, definitely worth the 80 crowns I paid for it. And as I said, I bought it at Clas Ohlson in Sweden. Yes, not much more to say about it really, so thank you for watching.